Dear children, today's video on singular and plural nouns. Before doing this, you should know what are nouns. Nouns are nothing but the naming words which we have already learned. So let us now understand what are singular and plural nouns. First, let's understand singular nouns. Children, in these pictures, you can see one chair, one girl, one dog and one boy. So how many of each can you say? You can see only one. One of everything. One chair, one girl, one dog and one boy. So how can we write that? We can write for the chair for one chair or chair, for one girl or girl, for one dog or dog, and for a boy, right? So children, when you speak about one person or thing or an animal, that is known as singular nouns. Remember, when you speak about only one, then it becomes singular noun. Now, let's know what is plural noun. Children, what can you see here? You can see three chairs, which is more than one. You can see four girls, which is more than one. Here you can see five dogs. That is also more than one. And two boys. That is also more than one. So here we don't have one person or thing or animal. We have more than one. It can be two, it can be three, it can be four, it can be five, it can be 100 and it can be 1,000. Anything more than one is known as plural noun. So how can we write the plural nouns? We can write chairs, girls, dogs and boys. So what we have done here? We have just added s to the nouns. So when we add s to the particular nouns, it becomes plural form. Alright children, but there are some words which doesn't take s with them to make the plural form. Let us understand those rules. Okay, so children, what happens? You find some of the words that end with ch, sh, s, ss or x. Okay, let's see. Here the first word is brush. How does the word end? The word ends with sh. So when one word ends with sh and you make the plural, you can add es to the noun. Then it becomes brushes. You can see I have written the es in red color. So it becomes brushes. In place of s, you have added es. Here, what can you see? Here I can see a peach. So how does the peach word end? The peach word ends with the letters ch. So when one word ends with ch and you make it plural, you have to add es to the noun, right? See the third picture. How does the word end? The word ends with s. So when one word ends with s, we add es to the noun to make it plural. Here you can see a glass. Glass ends with ss. So when one word or one noun ends with ss, we add es to the noun to make it plural. Similarly, there is a word fox. The fox ended with the letter x. So when some word ends with the letter x, you add ex to make it plural. But remember children, there are many other rules which you will learn. Let's see another rule. Children, when any noun ends with the letter O, we can change the noun into plural by adding es or s. For example, you can see I have written the word tomato. The word tomato ends with the letter O. And when we change into plural, how do we write? We write tomatoes. We add es to the noun. But in the second picture, the word photo ends with the letter O. But here we are not adding es to the noun. We are adding s to the noun, and it is making us photos. So children, there are many certain rules which you can use to change singular to plural, but you will get to know those rules in your higher grades, in your higher classes, and when you go to grade 3, 4 or 5, right? So for you this is enough. Okay, thank you very much children. I hope you understood the video well.